Today I'm making a quick and tasty chicken recipe. It tastes amazing and goes perfectly with idli, dosa, rice and chapati. Let's see how to make it. Heat a pan, add 3 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Now add all the masala ingredients. I have given the exact measurements in the description box, so please do check that. Saute everything on low flame. Slow roasting gives a really good aroma. Once the masala turns light golden brown, switch off the flame. Transfer it to a plate and let it cool completely. After cooling, grind it in a mixer jar with little water into a smooth paste. The paste should look like this. Now heat a pan and add 5 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Once the oil is hot, add whole spices. I have mentioned them in the description as well. Add 6 to 7 small onions. Saute well until the small onions soften. Now add 1 medium-sized big onion. Using both small and big onions really improves the taste. Add a little salt and saute until the onion turns light golden brown. This step is very important. Now add finely chopped 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute well until the raw smell goes away. Always slow cook at this stage, the taste will be much better. Now add the spice powders. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1/2 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix everything well. Now add the washed chicken. Mix the chicken nicely with the masala so it gets coated well. Add little salt for chicken. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the ground masala paste, add a little water and mix well. Cover and cook again for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will see oil separating. That means the gravy is perfectly cooked. Now garnish with fresh coriander leaves and curry leaves. Tear the leaves by hand, it gives better flavor. Cover it for 5 minutes before serving. So, what did you cook today? Chicken or veg? In the comment section. Happy cooking!